There's multiple different ways that manufacturers let you know that you need brake pads. Some have the little chirper that will actually chirp when it gets down to where you need pads. Some of them have a warning system inside the pad that will illuminate on the dash for you. But the best way to tell is if you hear a loud squeaking and your brake pedal feels a little soft. So that's how you actually know that you really need to replace your brake pads. You know, brakes have changed over the years. We have multiple different options now. A lot of places will just go in and change the pad out, but not look at the overall brake system. They're not looking at the brake fluid, the calipers, the boots. It might not be just the pads that are wore out. It could be something else causing that pad to be wore out. You know, one of the other safety features that people really don't think about is the brake fluid. That brake fluid gets contaminated and that'll affect the overall safety of the brake system. So what happens when it's time to get brakes? Come into Darrell Waltrip Automotive. We'll get one of our certified technicians to get it on a rack. Evaluate your system. Make sure that when you push the pedal, you know that you can stop and that you and your family are safe traveling down the road.